This is Ted, the Calgary painter. Just want to show you the final results of a feature wall we painted. 2 feature walls. Again, this is Anna's Spa in Airdrie, Alberta. Custom colored green. And it goes well with the light gray. We also painted the conduit here. They just installed a new camera. I'll show you the other feature wall in the reception area. Goes well with that painting, doesn't it? The original choice was a blue, and they changed their mind. If you watched the previous video, they tried 4 or 5 colors and decided on this color here. I think it goes well. Anyhow, just wanted to show you the final results for EcoStar painting. This is Ted Rinshed, the Calgary painter.